vacuum cleaner. This has 17,000 PA suction for efficient cleaning of various surfaces. 3-in-1 functionality. It's a vacuum, it's a blower, and it has a light on it. Perfect for portability as well. It has a built-in battery for recharging. It uses USB Type-C connection for charging it up. Most of us nowadays have USB Type-C connection somewhere for charging, especially for your mobile phones, so it should be perfect for anyway. It's lightweight, ideal for multi-users, suitable for cleaning cars, homes and keyboards. I'm going to try it out on my keyboard. I'm actually going to try it out on my car as well, because my car is filthy. And apparently it will last on a single charge anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on what speed you use. It has a standard speed and a booster speed. So depending on how you use it, depends on how long the battery lasts. Apparently it illuminates dark areas for thorough cleaning, easy to empty and clean, detachable dust cup for quick and hassle-free maintenance, apparently. And I thought, quite like that. Attachments, it comes with a couple of nozzles, this one and this one for your blower. USB Type-C connection for charging them up, and by the way, I fully charged it. A nice little carry bag and 2 types of filters, a metal filter which was already pre-installed and a paper filter which, from what I understand, will get rid of or stop 99.9% of dust coming through it. So you might want to use that one, or bacteria. So with that, let me quickly show you how she works, because there's some nice little features on this. So if you press it once quickly, press it again, you press it third time, turns it off. So first press is normal speed, second booster speed, third is off, or back off. Now attachment, because I've had a little play about it, it's quite easy. It's just go in there like that and job done. So you've got a nice little duster. Turn it on again, where are you? And I'll put it upside down. That's better, because the button's there. There, quite easy. Let's try it without this. The other thing I like is a little flap inside. See that? That, when you turn it on. Yeah, plus I did mention a blower, didn't I? Now this is your little blower and it goes on the back side, like so. So push that in there like that, turn it on. Whoa! Now, I did say also it comes with a light. Let me just show. So to get the light to work, you hold it down for 3 seconds. And voila, and I pressed it too many times. Turn it off again, do it again. 3 seconds. And we have a light like that. See that? Nice little light. Now, should you break down, you've got this in your car and you break down, you could put on a hazard warning. Da, da, da. And I thought that was quite clever actually. So, you're stuck out in the dark, you need light, so you would turn it on for light. Oh look, I can see. It's not going to be a fantastic light, but it's a good little feature. And that is quite bright actually. And so's that one. Turn off. Now should you just need it for cleaning and you want the maximum filter, all you need to do is like that. There's a little pull out handle there for your filter, like so. Swap over filters. Now this is the paper one. This is probably the best one to use. You just push that in there like that. Connect it to the base, like so. Give it a little twist. It's locked in place. Now we have a different filter. Let's see if she works with my thing, and we want to make sure I put it around the right way, which is something like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, very easy. Now, cleaning. Empty her out. Now, there's no dust in there at the moment, but that's how you do it. So yeah, 3 in 1. Now, we need to see how good it is. So I'm going to go and try it out in my car, because my car's quite filthy. I'm not going to do the whole of the car. I'm just going to do a part of the car, just to see if it actually does anything, or if it actually picks things up. So let's go out in the car, shall we? Now, I've only used it in that one little area, so we're going to see how much dirt it actually picked up. I'm going to put it on my desk, believe it or not. Shouldn't really do this, but you want to know, don't you? Well, I do anyway, even if you don't. So, here goes. Oh my God. And that was only in that one area, right? Let's have a look at the state of the filter. Look at it. There's everything here. It's a right old mess. Oh my God. It goes to show how dirty my car is and how well this actually picks up. Now, this one seems to work better than this one. I don't know why, but it seems to. This one does, I think it said 99.9% of the dust it gets rid of, or it captures. I shouldn't say it gets rid of. And this one doesn't do so well. But for me, I'll carry on using this one. I mean, look at it. That is amazing. Now, I haven't tested it to see how long it lasts, but I would imagine it would easily do 15 minutes, because I used it for at least 10 minutes and it's still got plenty of juice in it. And the other thing to bear in mind, if you use it on the second boost, not the first one, but the second boost, then obviously it's using more power, so it's not going to last so long. But I tried it on both. I prefer the boost, the second boost, because it just picked up more. And yeah, very impressed. Look at the state of that. I'm going to have to clean this filter as well. I mean, that is amazing. You've got to admit, that's quite impressive. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. That is filthy. And that, honestly, is just from that one little area in my car. So I need to send it off to be cleaned properly, don't I, really? So with that, definitely gives my thumbs up. If you're looking for a little vacuum cleaner that can, clean your car, or even do your keyboard, something like clean the keyboard like that, or something else, this could be perfect. I mean, I've got to clean all this mess up now, haven't I? Jesus. As always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you want to buy it, that link will take you straight to the product. It is affiliated link, but it doesn't cost you any more money as if you went and found it yourself on wherever the link takes you to. So with that, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or any of my video, consider subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified, and giving me the thumbs up, whether it be for this video or any of my other videos. It does help the YouTube algorithms to promote this channel. Thanks very much for watching.